Hello, good morning guys. My name is Aida from Michael Sunday. In this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can design a website from scratch. And by God's grace, I'm the CEO of the Leading Web Design Limited. And what we do in our company is that we help people to set up a website, and at the same time, we train people on how to design a nice looking website. Now, this is the topic of what we're going to be doing this morning. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a website from scratch. Yeah, I'm going to teach you how you can make a website from scratch, and these are the 30 things we need. Um, and please, before we move forward, yeah, I would like to tell you that please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is one of the ways you can be of help to me, and I sincerely appreciate your effort for taking your time to watch my video. And I pray the Lord will continue to be with you more and more. Now let's go back to this is the front end of our website, and why this is the back end of our website. So we're going to go to appearance. I'm going to go to themes. So the thing we're going to be using is HTML. I think this is it. I've already installed. Let me just activate it. So HTML, can you see? In case you don't know how to install it, just come to this place, click on admin, and type HTML. And type HTML, ASTI. This is it. Can you see? Now in your own case, it's gonna click on install. Because initially I've activated that, I've installed and I've activated it. In your own, you will see install. So all you need to do is just to click on install and to click on the activation. So once you're done with this, I think that is one of the major things we need. You come here again, you refresh your site. So once you refresh your site, you will see a new look. Can you see this is a new look now? Now, all you need to do, because this is a new theme, I just learned about this team today, and I feel like, okay, wow, this is cool. Let me do a video on it because the team is good in designing a landing page for your client, and it has a very attractive style that I love. Not like that, but I think this style, I just love how the layout look like. So, but let's go without wasting much of our time. Now we're going to see how you can edit your team, because this team does not come with a page builder. It has its own page builder, so it's not like using Elementor. But I can assure you that it is easy to use. Seriously. So all you need to do is just click on customize. So when you click on customize, you wait for it to load. But before that, the theme come with a particular plugin. And for you to enjoy this theme very, very well, you need to install that plugin. Now, can you see now? Can you see all this theme? This is all the themes has to offer you. But by the time we install this plugin, it will help us to have more and more. Let me click on activate. This is the plugin here. Click on activate and click on install and activate. So it automatically activates. So once it activates, we just need to wait and let's see. So let's wait for it to load. Yeah, that's fine. Come on. Now, can you see? Now can we see that we have some other new features? Can we see? Now, since we have all of this, let's go and start building our website. And now, sorry. Now, the first thing I want to do is to change this background. If you like, okay, let me just start from the logo. Let me change my logo first. So let's start from logo. So you want to change your logo, all you need to do is just to click on this pencil. Can you see this pencil? Now, transparent header. Okay, let me just click on my logo, and let me click on my drop menu. Let me just click on select file. And this is the logo I want to use. Open and select. Uh, oh, let me use another logo. Let me use this. Yeah, let me use this. Select. Just crop it like this. Crop it like this. Yeah. So make sure your logo, in case you have another logo, make sure your logo is in what they call 150 by 150. Yeah. So I'm okay with this. So what else again? Now I want to change this heading, this welcome to HTML, and this and this. These are the three things I want to change now. And I'm still going to change the background. So just follow me step by step. The first thing is that I'll just come here and click on this pencil. So immediately I click on this pencil, it's going to take me to this place. Can you see? And I'm going to scroll down. And I can see we build we build professional app. Can you see? And I want to put my site title here. Site title here. And just come and say at Deleting Web Design. At Deleting Web Design, we specialize on building all sorts of apps. Now leave it like this. Now this button now I want you to link to another place. Let me just change this place. So if you like, if you have a, if you are maybe you have a product you're selling or maybe anything you're selling, or you can just link it to the catalog or the product place where they can see, like I'm saying I'm building an app now, I can just link it to a particular app that I've been building or stuff like that, though I don't have the app for now. So I'll just come and say check out our app. Check out uh, can I say see our take a look at our app. Take a look. Take a look at my app. At my app. Now, let's see. Now, if you don't like this color, you can change it if you don't like it. And now, if you want to link this, let me just put the Deleting Web. Let me just go to my website and just say, let me copy this to see. Let me come to this place and put the link here. Now, this is the link. So, anytime you click on this, it's going to take you to my page. Now, let me publish. Publish is that you are saving your changes because we don't know what may happen. Anything might happen, maybe, light might go, and if your system is not backing up or network might stuff like that. So you make sure you save your work. Anytime you're doing your work, make sure you save it. Now, since I'm done with it, I want to change this background because I said I'm building an app. Then there's something I need to add it to my app that I need to add it to it that will make my app so look attractive. So what I need to do now is to just come here, scroll up, try to change image. Click on change image, and I'll click on upload live, and I'll go. I have a banner. I'm going to try to make sure the link is available. Now this is the first banner I want to use. I hope you can see it. So I'm gonna click on it. Yeah, initially, some years back, because Acer has actually upgraded their software. Some years back, you can scroll down and you will see another place where you can add another image. You see a widget. Sorry, you see a widget where you can add another images. But now they have upgraded their software, so it's a little bit quite difficult. So what you need to do is just scroll up. If you want to add another image, normally I said I'm building an app. I need to make my my site look so attractive like an app website. So all I need to do now is I'm gonna move all this thing. I'm gonna move it to my left hand side, and by the time I'm gonna put another image in this place. So let's go ahead and do that. What I need to do first is to click on this place. I know it's on center. You can change it to this place if you like it, but I don't feel this. Can you see? Does it okay? Maybe let me try this. Let me check this out first. So let me check it out. So first, that means I'll be adding my what's it called? my my image, another image at this section. But I don't like it because if I make use of this and if I make use of this way, okay, let me see it, let me open it and see what I'm talking about. And then you click on here. Let me go back. Right. Oh God. Okay. Let me just click on this. Options. Let me go back. Error. Okay. Let me click on this place. Let me refresh. That's one thing about this kind of after. Okay, let me just close this out and I'll come back to it again. Yeah. So you must be make sure you're very, very careful. Now, if I refresh this place already, this is not what it is. Okay, I've not saved this image. Now click on customize again. So once you click on customize, see that is why please I encourage you that anytime you do a little changes, make sure you save your work. It's very, very important. Very, very important. Now click on it. So initially I've actually changed this image was because of the fact that I didn't save it and I have an issue on the way, and which is normal. As a web designer, there's nobody promise you that you're not going to have an issue. You will have. So that is why you need to keep saving your work as soon as you do any changes. Now this is it. Now I will like it. I would like all this theory to move to this place, because if I try to move them to this place and I put the other image here, if I'm checking it on my mobile phone, it won't. The image I put here will come first. So I don't want that. I want this letter to come first and the image should come next to this letter. And what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to shift all this. I'm going to come to extra. Can you see extra? So click on extra. Now by default it will give you this, but I don't want this. I want this. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on shape changing. Shape changes. Can you see now? Yes, our site is looking nice now. Now I'm going to come to this. You know, I told you initially. I said we want to add another image to this place to make it look attractive and nice. So what we need to do is just to come here. Can you see? Edit the big title widget. Initially, before, like 2018, when my mentor did the video, because I learned this from my mentor, because I don't use this, I use Abstract. As 2018, there's a particular place that when you scroll down here, you can add those things, add another image to it and stuff like that. But it's no longer here again, it's here. All you need to do is just to come here and click on, can you see, edit the big title widget here. Just click on it. So once you click on it, you're gonna click on this plus stuff and you're gonna pick image. You need image. So once you click on the image, you just click on upload and try to locate your image. So this is what I want to use now. I don't worry, I'm trying to make sure I'm going to provide all these images for you. So I just click on open it and wait for it to load. So immediately the image load. Now can you see now this is the image now. Now let me just click on publish and let me come to this place and view my site. Now can you see now? I think this site is looking so much attractive now. It's looking like a mobile app site. If I hope you are enjoying this tutorial, you know we're moving forward. So the next thing we need to do is we need to change this place. Now, mind you, like I said earlier, I said this site is best for a landing page or a one-page website. So, but let me I will show you the reason why I said so. But let's move forward. Now come to this place again. Now I'm done with this place. So I will need to scroll down anytime I'm done with this place. If you want to change the color, you can change the color if you like. If you want to change the color, just go to your appearance. Maybe you want to change the color. This button, you can just come to this place. You won't be able to change the color. Hey, oh, this one is not correct. Let me change this. Sorry. Correction. Let me just leave it like that. Sorry. In case any of my words are not correct, please you can adjust your own. Now, I said we want to change this color. Just come back to this place. Go back a little bit and come to, I think, appearance. Can you see body and color? Just come to color section, and this is the color aspect of it. You can change anything you want to change. You can change it here, but I think it's okay by me like this. Or I think it's okay by me. If you want to change your own color, you can change, because this is just the tutorial sake, so I don't need to fashion every aspect of it with stuff like that. So, and maybe probably you want to change the front size. You want to change the front size. Let me show you where you can change the front size. Appearance, typography. Now, by default, you can come here and say you want to change the front family, anything you want to do, and you want to change the size, maybe it's too big. Don't touch anything in this place. Just scroll down to this big title section. Can you see? Then you can drag this all and now you want to change this easily. Can you see? You can drag, can you see what I mean? You can drag it. Can you see? But I think I like it the way is it like it. I like the default setting. And if you want to change the size of this one, you scroll down. Don't touch anything here. You come down again to here. Can you see? Special subtitle. This is I drag it and drag it out. Anything you want to do it. So I don't need this, so I'll just come back to this place. And now I'm done with this aspect of the thing. This is the first section which I'm done with. I'm okay with it like this. So I need to just scroll down. Now this is another section I want to do it. I want to do it now. Now I'll click on it. So once I click on it, by default, by default, you you can this is what is here. But you can change this thing to okay to our product or our services, stuff like that. You can change it to like I said, our product, our services. Okay, can I say what our product is the best. Why our product is the best. I just change it to our product or our app. We're talking about apps. Come here again and say we build a lot of apps, and here are the few. I'm trying to look at what to write to make it so attractive. Let me just pause this and write something nice. Now, this is what I write. This is what I just write now. I said, creating web design is an home of app. Let me thank the app. Let me just say this. Uh, sorry, let me just. Yeah. Creating web design is the home of apps. We love to build a nice looking app that help our client to achieve their organization goal. What I want to put there is to achieve their organization goal. So don't mind my correction, my mistake, please. To achieve their organization goal. The organization goal. Yeah, I think I'm set now. Now, what after or immediately I'm done. The next thing I need to do is the next thing now is that all these features. We have feature one, feature two, feature three. All these features are talking about this is feature one, this is feature two, and this is feature three. So you just need to be very, very careful and know what you're doing. So you can just come here and say, I can just call this place. I will just click on this drop bar. Okay, so once I click on it, I will scroll down. I'll just call it mobile app, or let me just say Android app. Android Android app. Let's say here is our nice looking. I can just say our. Let me pause this. Now, guys, this is what I just put here. I said our. Okay, sorry. Oh, Android app. Okay, yeah, I think it's correct now. Let me just change this capital letter and to. Okay. Now, can you see now? Let me make this a first letter capital letter. Now, I've done this now. You can put a link if you have any link, or maybe if you are selling let us say I'm selling a shoe now, or I'm selling I can put the picture, I can just say a shoe, and I can put a link that will direct them to the store or whatever thing you are doing. So I think by now I can just leave this place empty, or I can put my website link there. So let me just put my website link there. Since this is a tutorial sake, this is not a job. If it is a job, I know what to do. But I'm just showing you what you need to do. So, as a professional, you need to do whatever thing you are doing in a professional way. So, I'll scroll down. Now let's assume I don't like this. I don't like this icon. I just click on this place. Immediately I click on this place, you will see a lot of icons. Now what am I looking for? I'm looking for Android, 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 Android. Do I even do I even know the logo of Android now? So please let me go a flash of Android logo icon. Android Android icon. Let me see the logo. And okay, I think this is so let me come in. Sorry, most of the time we have a lot of things in our head. So this is the Android icon. Can you see it? Now, what immediately I click on it, can you see it automatically display? If you want to change the color, okay. Now, if you want to change the color, you can come to this place and change the color. And what is the color of Android? I don't even know. See, I've showed you how to change the color. So I'm sorry, I may not be good in color changing like that. So I'm done with this first aspect. I will come to the second aspect again. Feature image. I can just say, what do we do again? iPhone. Let me look for iPhone. iPhone app. What they used to call the iPhone app now? Because I know this. It has a name. It has a different name. Ah, we are good in creating. Let me pause this video so that it won't be long in typing. So I will show you what I type. Now, guys, this is what I do. Like I said, the other time I don't know what the name they used to call this app. So I'm going to go and search for it here. Name for iPhone app. So, so anytime you are working and you don't know what to do, you don't know anything, just come to Google. Google will help you out seriously. So you just come here and say, okay, iOS. So let me just search for the icon of iOS. Um, icon for iOS app. Icon for iOS app. So let me see how it look like. I'm just going to do it. I just want to see the icon. I'm seeing different things. Let me do that. Sometimes I'll just come here and say, okay, let me search for it here. Okay, this is it. Ehen, this is it. So you come to this place again. What else do you do? You come to the you come to the third stuff. This is it. So you just come to the third feature. You don't need to click it. I mean it's elemental. If you click on it now, can you see it take it to the home page? Yeah. But because it is not if it's elemental now, if you click on this, you'll be able to edit it here. But this is a new page builder entirely. And you can just say, okay, what do we do with this one again? What type of app do we have again? Um, let me just think about something. Let me write web development here. Title web development. Or let me just say code an app. Code an app. Code app. Hold on, shall not be direct. So I hope you guys are enjoy following me. Anything you just feel like putting there, just okay. Okay, yeah. I can just say we are good in building all sort of hybrid and native app. And and we code our native app by ourselves. We code our native app from scratch, nothing like by ourselves. Scratch. Now let me just edit this. Okay, we are good at building all sorts of hybrid. Okay, hybrid and native app. Because we have two type of app. We have hybrid. Hybrid is the one that you just use maybe you convert a website to mobile app, and while native is one that you write the code from the scratch. So I believe you guys are also learning one thing or the other. Now I just come here and leave the color like that and come here and change it to coding. Web development they have something like coding here these days. Yeah. Now what do I need to do now? I click on save changes. Now if you don't like this aspect of the thing, anything you don't like, now just come here and click on this cruise. Can you see? Just click on it. Can you see it automatically out of it? Now you have come to another section now. Can you see now? I hope you are seeing what I'm seeing. Can you see what I'm saying, guys? Can you see what I'm saying? So now, maybe you like that section and you want it to be there again. I will show you where you can just go and put it there. So, but before that, let's just scroll and let's do something. There's a lot of things for us to do, and I don't want this video to be long. So, you can publish this if you like, and if you don't like, you can leave it like that. So, meet our team. Okay. You can just come in and change it. It's changeable. Anything in life is changing. You can just say our specialization, our special team. Or let me just say meet our special team. Special team. You can just say digital web design is a reputable company with professional designer. You can just leave it like that. Because by saying I should be writing a lot, I don't know if I may keep writing and writing and writing like that. So I just put it like that, and you can just come here and just say, okay, I will just edit this one aspect of it. Once I'm done with this one aspect, I believe that you should be able to follow the same process of doing all this other aspect of the thing. Now, this is the first team member. Can you see you have changed the section title, and let me show you the section title. This is the section title. You have changed the subtitle of it. This is it. This is the subtitle of it. Now you come to team member. This is the first team member. Now, any team member you do not like, you can just remove them. You can remove it. Can you see any team member you do not like? You can remove everything from here. Let's see, you this guy, go away. I don't like you. So let me just come here and just say, okay, what's my name? My name is Aida for Michael. I'm the CEO. Okay, let me just come here and get some item text. Data for Michael. Yeah. I just copy one of my, yeah, let me just copy this. I just copy this. Control C. And I'll come back to this place. Title. I'll paste it here. Yeah, I think I'm working like this. Yeah, if you have a social media link, you can just copy your Facebook link. Put your Facebook link here. This Facebook, you put your link here. This Instagram, you put your link here. Okay, let me just try and do one. Let me just try and do one. Facebook, YouTube. Let me do this too. Look at the two I'll be doing. I don't have much time. So, yeah, even let me pause it. I won't waste. Now this way, I'll just come here. I'll just come here and click on. I'll just come here and click on this link. Control C. I have my Facebook stuff, so I'll come here and paste it here for Facebook. Now if you notice, this is G plus plus, Google plus. Me, I don't have Google plus. I will change it to YouTube. They use Google plus. Now, people get money, they use Google plus. I don't change it. I don't change that to YouTube. So I'll change it to YouTube. So I'll just come here and put the YouTube link. This is my YouTube channel. I'll just come here and click on all this, Control C. I'll come back to this place and I'll put it here. You see, Control V. So this is my Twitter. Me, I don't. My Twitter account for now is on suspension. So I will leave that. I'll just copy this and come to this place. I'll just call it. I'll just put my stuff here. So in the see, it's okay. I will move this icon. This thing is okay for me. So what do I need to do? Just click on publish. Now I need to save the image. Yeah, I think that's the last thing. Image. Just click on upload and let me just click on my image. I don't have much time. Let me pick one of my images. Now let me just pick this small boy, and let me just upload it. And let's see how it go. Yeah, exactly. Can you see? We are fit to go. Can you see that everything is just set? If you like, if you have any of your team member put their image, their name, their stuff, stuff like that. I believe now you should know how to do this section of the thing. So I click on publish, and next after I want to do now is this aspect. What our clients say. Okay, you can just come here and say, okay, testimonial. You just say what our clients say. You can edit anything. Let's say we love to hear from our clients, and these are awesome testimony from our previous clients. Full stop. Feel free to check them out. Stop. And don't forget, if you notice, we have three testimonial here, right? So these are the three testimonial. If you want to add more, you can click on add new. If you want to remove, you can click on remove, and you can just click and remove any other person you don't like there. So this place is for the image. You don't need to come and click on this place. Just click on upload image. Once you click on upload image, you'll be able to upload, change the image. Click on this is where you can write the name, the business owner. Can you see name and the business owner? And this is where you can write what they say about you. I don't know if you are getting it. So once you write them, just close it again and come here again and just do. Can you see? And if you don't like it, just delete. You don't need to worry yourself. Delete it if you don't like it. Now, and maybe you don't even want to have a testimony on your site. You can just come here and click on close. This simply means delete in according based on this page builder. So I think that one is okay. Now you can just save it again and scroll down. So now the major asset I want to touch for you guys, I don't need this place. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. Huh? What? I can leave it, yeah. But do I need it? I don't even know if I need it or not. What our climb? Now, if you don't need any of this place, maybe you don't need it. If you click on this button, you can just come here and just say, sorry, I don't need it. Can you see disable icon? Can you see it's automatically delete out of it? And you can just say enable. Now, if you enable it, and maybe you just put, this is a company logo, this is a logo of people you have worked with, or people, your clients, your people you have done some work for. Because just come here, click on it, and upload their image. If you want to put their what's it called? Their link. Okay, for example, let me show you something on my website. Let me just scroll down to my my portfolio. Now this is my portfolio now. Now these are the sites I've designed for. Now if I click on them, they all link to their stuff. If I click on it now, you see that there's a link showing down here. If I click on any of it, if you look at your downward and right hand, if you look at this section, Anytime I click on this image, you see that there's a link showing, there's another link showing. So if I click on it now, it will take me to their website. So if you want to do the same, you can actually do the same thing for this place, whereby you put their image or their logo here, and you put their website link or what you have done for them. Just put the link there because people want to see proof. So that's another thing. But to me, this is just the training phase, so I don't need all these things. But in case you want it, make sure you put the image, the link to their website. Photo, you come here again. Once you've done again, you click here, you come to another place, image, link to their website. And if you want to need more, maybe you have worked with a lot of branding and you want more stuff, just come here and add new and add new. So, but for me, I don't need this place. I don't need it, and I'll click on publish so that to save my stuff. Now, this is a default blog written by this stuff. Now, one thing is that this template come with a automatic layout for landing page. Like I said it's just meant for landing page alone to me, seriously. So what you need to do is that once you upload or you post anything, any new thing, for example, maybe you just post, let me come to this place and come to my post. I click on all posts. Now, these are all the posts and stuff like that. I don't need this one. Let me just trash this. Now, any post you write here will automatically reflect at the front end. So, if you write any post here now, it automatically show at the front end. So, you don't have to worry yourself at all, at all. So, now, this is the major aspect I want us to talk about. Now, this is the contact us page because it's very, very important. And look at it there. So, in order to add a contact form to this section, you need to install a WP Lite plugin. Whereas, all you need to do is just to click on this button. Can you see? Click on this button. Now, once you click on this button, it's going to take you to this place. You just scroll down. Okay, let me just come to contact form. Can you see? Now, once you click on this button, to take you to this page, just come to this contact us section. Can you see contact us section? This is where you'll be able to install and activate the WP plugin. So once you install and activate, let's wait for it to install and activate. Yeah, there's a mistake I made, and the mistake is that I forgot to tell you that anytime you want to do um maybe you want to install, can you see that initially we have deleted this page, right? But I didn't save it until I came to this place to come and activate this plugin. Immediately you activate this plugin, automatically it will generate this form for you. Now, but the implication of this is that if you have done everything, maybe you have finished all your site and you did not save it, and you now come to this particular section to click on activate the plugin, maybe you come to this particular section and you say you want to click on activate the store, and you click on it, it will automatically, all what you have done initially is nothing. You will still need to restart it again. Can you see like this one now that I've deleted now? This one now. Can you see I still need to restart it again? All I need to do is that I need to just close it here. Close it. Oh, no. I've made a mistake. Oh my god. Okay. I'll just, thank God, I'll just go back. Now if I go back, if I want to, any place I want to see, I can just come here and say, okay, I want to see, I think about us. I think about us is not here again. About us is not here again. I can just come here and click and once I click on it, it will be up. Can you see what we stand for? Okay, naturally I don't want to see this place initially. I don't want this. Now special thing. I will go back. What test? Let me see this one. Let me see what is there. Subscribe to our newsletter. I don't want that. Our app, our teams, Yeah, I don't want this. Let me even show you and see what is there. Okay, this. I don't want this. Client bar. Let me see what is there. This is it. And let me see this. If you want to do it, I want to put your stuff here, but I don't want all this thing. Your blog, yeah. I noticed something is deleted. Yeah. Now this, I don't want this. I will just click on this, and that is all. Now, now, what we need to do now is just to scroll to this page. Now, this is where we are initially. And please make sure anytime you are doing anything, make sure you save your work. Please save your work. I'm begging you now, so that you will not start from the beginning again. Now, this is, like I told you earlier, if you install anything, automatically, once you install this contact form plugin, it will generate this thing for you. And by default, whenever anybody fill this form, the the form will be sent to your mail. The mail you put in when you are creating this subdomain, or when you are creating your WordPress. This form will automatically locate your what is it called? Your mail, the mail you put in when you are creating or installing your WordPress. So I want to change this aspect of the thing now. I'll just come to this general setting. If you want to change this logo, fine, but I think it's okay like that. I love that logo. Can you see this? Get in touch with us. This is it. Get in touch with us. This is it. Change the subtitle. This thing. Just say okay. Hello. We love to hear from you. We would love to. We love to hear from you. We love to hear from you. Stop. Please kindly use any medium below. Medium below to get in touch with us. Stop. So anything you want to do, you can just come here. Yes, yes. Let me just. Okay, we would love to hear from you. So you can just let me just click on publish. I'm looking for how to change this aspect. How to change this aspect because it can be nice if you leave it like that. So um, let me scroll up a little bit. Uh, okay, I will definitely find a solution on how to just changes and see what I can do about this. So let me just go back a little bit. Contact Let me edit contact content. Yeah. Can you see? Edit contact content. This is just see this thing is just a little bit crazy. I don't just know this. I just love the outlay, the layout rather. That is just why I want to use it. Not as if I'll be using it like that. But if I want to do maybe like landing page, I will definitely control this thing because I love it. Now this is just the heading. This is the heading of this, and this is the subtitle of this. Now, for you to change all these two, I think you need to come to this place and click on edit. Yeah, can you see? Now, when you click on edit, you will see all these things here. Find us. You can just come here and say, okay, find us. Where? You can find us in. Let's just say 499 499 Rasak 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 Rasak. I don't know how to spell Rasak. Rasak Muse Muse okay. Muse Street of Tedola Estate. Tedola Estate. But at the time I'm recording this video, I'm not in Ibadan, so Tedola Estate. Tedola Estate, Lagos or Ikeja. I don't know that. I just leave it like that. Full stop. And give us a ring. But just put your phone number here and just say, okay, delayed, delayed. I just put my name. Phone it like Areda. Sorry, Areda for Mike. I'm sorry, I'm kind of Jura person sometimes. I hope you are enjoying this video, Sha. Please, if you are enjoying this video, please click on the like button and share this video to your loved one. Plus 234 90352782271. Yeah, Monday to Friday. Okay, it's okay like this. So once you are done, just close it here. Can you see? Everything you input is there. That is just it. Now click on publish. Then I think we're done now. We have done justice to this. Yeah. Now if we close this place and come to our site, let's check our site, visit site, and let's see what we have done. And we can you see? Can you see all the changes? Yeah, here. Yeah, can you see? As simple as that. And this is mobile friendly. If you wanna know is a mobile friendly, just put it here. Now that is one thing you just need to know. You know that it's mobile friendly, and there's no how you adjust it. It will begin to one of the things you will know that this is a mobile friendly website. Can you see? Let us admit this is a mobile phone now. This is how it's gonna look on your mobile phone. You don't have any problem. You don't have it's a nice site that can you see it's perfect. Perfect. When I mean perfect, everything is perfect. Can you see? And you don't have any issues again. If you want to see how it's gonna look on the tablet, let me on the tablet it's gonna look like this. On the tablet, yeah. It's gonna look like this. And I think it's okay perfectly, and on a laptop it's gonna look like this. So who will see this website and say, oh no, I don't like it. No, it's okay. Now for me, now the next aspect is this. If you click on home page, you still get to your home page. If you click on blog, if you click on blog, can you see it's gonna take you to all the blogs, all the blog page. If you click on contact us, it's gonna take you to I think contact us page. But I don't want all these things. I want them to be in one page. I don't want, I mean, personally to me, I don't like all this. Now, if you want to edit this page now, all you need to do is just to come to customization. Okay, let me come to this place. That's where I want to edit it. I'll just click on blog. Can you see? Then I can start editing any aspect again. Any aspect again. But you know, in blog, you don't edit anything. You don't edit anything in blog. Except you go to your post. You can let us contact us page now. Yeah. I'm gonna show you something and see what I mean. Now, this is a contact us page. Now, if you want to edit anything, you can just carry your cursor to this place and click on edit. Sorry. Seriously, this thing is just somehow. So, um, let's just go back here and see how to go. Customize your contact front page, okay? No. Yeah, this is contact us page. My God. Down with this stuff. Initially, my plan was that I'm not gonna all these two, all this one. I'm out of it, not me. They are not meant for me. Yeah. There's another thing I want to teach you. Just forget about this because I'm going to take it out of it. That's why I put everything in my own page. Now, there's another thing I want to show you. But I don't think you will need to do this. Is that if you want to sell, maybe you want to receive payment on your website, you want to sell something, you can install this WooCommerce plugin and configure it. But if you want to know how to configure a WooCommerce plugin and stuff like that, just come to my YouTube channel and share my one of my video on web design tutorial, professional web design tutorial. So you will see this is a video how to design an
If
e-commerce
you want to sell online,
product. So I believe you get it now. So I won't be doing this now for now. So let me just go down. I want to customize the footer section of the site. The footer section. This can you see? This is the footer section of the site. Can you see? Click on it. And I can just come here and just say um all this rubbish. I don't want it. Power by. What concern me with power by? I will just take away everything. Just 1, 2, 3. Copy all the 3 and take it away. So I'm gonna come to this place. Let me just come to this side. So I'll just say, I'll just copy this. Control C. Now come back to this place. I love you so much. Paste it here. But it's like it will be too much or too big. Not really. I just say, okay, copyright the best web design company, the leading web design, blah, 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 blah. It is too much also. Let me take this away. I think it's okay now. Let me publish it and see how it's going to look in the front end. I don't like it. It's too long. And it's okay. It's okay. Let me see how it's going to look on the mobile phone. Yeah, I think it's okay. It's okay. It's okay by me. If it is not okay by you, just do something attractive. So now, since I'm done with my stuff, I want to change all these things. I can only leave this if I want. I can leave this, but this contact us page, I don't like it. Since I have the contact us asset in this place and it's working functionally, everything in this place is what is in this place. So why do I need to put them? Here is okay by me. I love this. So what I need to do is just to come to this place. And okay, we're done with this now. I will come back to this place. Um, Now let me do my site identity. If you look at the site, it's not showing. It will be showing WordPress. So I'll just come here and site identity, and I'll come to site title. I can just say tagline. The best mobile app company, like the best mobile app company in Nigeria. Alright, okay, like this. So my site icon. I'll pick this. Yeah, I'll pick this. I'll click select. I'm just gonna do it something like this. Okay, let me just cover this. Now, let me just skip problem. Now, this is, can you see my site icon now? And can you see the text is changing now too? If I click on it, it's changed to the best mobile app company in Nigeria. Eh? See the Nigeria. Sorry. Yeah. And I'll click on. If you look at this place, it's showing just another WordPress right now. Let me just save it. Once I save it and I come to this place and I refresh, I see the thing has changed to the best mobile app company in Nigeria. I'm seeing two-way. What's going on? Okay, it's two-way. Okay. So since I've done this, now let's move. Let's move ahead. Let's move. I have a lot of things to do. Now we need to just go to our menu. Can you see our menu bar? We want to set our menu here. So just click on this primary menu. And can you see these are the three stuff here? These are this more. I don't know what it's all about. I don't need it. Okay. Now if you click on this more, let me come to this place. I click on this more. So since this more is half, it's not doing anything. So we're gonna change everything now. So just relax your mind and let's go. Now the first one I want to remove is this. I hate it with passion. Second aspect I want to remove is this more. I don't see the impact. I remove. Sorry. I publish. Now I will need to come to this page and come to my customization. Now I'll be having two customization and there's a reason behind that because I actually want to get some name from here that I will use to do my menu. So let me just wait for this one to load. Now since it's loaded now, I will click on front page section. Now you notice that there's a particular button in that place that is showing more and it's linking to this about us. But because this about us is no longer here again, so it won't work again. Now what I now need to do is I want to create a menu. I just call this. Okay, let me go back. These are our features. Did I need to put about us there? Okay. Now I will come to this. You know, these features. Features. Now I'll come to this place and say, okay, I want to create my menu. I want to add menu, add item. But this time around, I am not adding any of this. I want to add a custom link. Custom link is a link, just like an anchor link or a link that will take you to the some section of your website or to any place you direct it to. So I'll come here and say custom link. Now, what is the name? I want to call this place our service. Our services. And I will click on hashtag features. So I'll just come here. What is the name of here? Features. Just come here. Yeah. I will click on add to menu. Let me see. Maybe yeah. Sorry. Now what is the next aspect? Team. I will come here. Our team. I'll just create another one. Our team. Our team member. I will come here again. Hashtag team. I hope you're seeing it. Let me see. Do I add S to the ordinary team? I click on add to menu. Now, the next aspect I want to do now is this. What let's say testimonial. Okay, let's come and say testimony. Or testimonial. Testimonial. Let me just copy this to see. I hope it's the same thing. Testimonials. Okay. I will click on hashtag Ctrl V with S. I can change this letter to small letter anyhow I want it. And let's say this one is our testimonial. Okay, I think testimonial is also okay. Let me put S to it. After the menu bar. I hope you are seeing it like that. So um what else again? Let me check here again. Contact us. Now I will change this contact us. I will need to put a contact us there. Since this blog is still the same thing as this, I will leave it. I will just put contact us here. Contact us. I will come here and put hashtag contact. Add to the menu and publish. Now I come back now. Let me exit out. Let me exit out of this place. But wait, who will buy this pro version of this thing? Not me. If everybody is buying it, me, I'm not buying. Now, can you see now? Now, this is our. Now, if I click on home, naturally, I think I need to remove home because home is still home. So, if you click on our logo also to take it to home, so I will need to take it away. There's no, it doesn't have any effective. Now, this blog will take to a blog section. This is our service. Now, if you click on our service, can you see? Take it to this place. If you click on our team member, it take it to this place. Click on testimonial, it take it to this place. Click on contact us, it take it to this place. What else do we need? So guys, that is just basically what you need to learn about this. So I think I need to take away this. I don't need it again because now let's take it away and click on publish. Now let's be truthful to each other. Will you build this type of website for a client and the client will say, no, I don't like this? Let's say the truth. If you build this type of website for a client, the client will be amazed and say, wow, wow. See, guys, these are what you can do. You can just do something nice, and like I said, everything we use in this team is this design of a website is free of charge. So guys, you don't need to follow someone who is developing himself. So by the time he's developing himself, and because I believe so much in myself that I develop myself on a daily basis, because this thing now I learned it not quite long from one of my boss. So and when I learned, I realized that look, it will be a bad thing if I just keep this secret to myself. I'm not uploading it on my YouTube channel so that my colleagues, my students can benefit from it. My desire is not just for you to just be idle. My desire is for you to become successful and professional in what you are doing. So guys, that is the reason why you need to keep checking my YouTube channel and keep following me on my social media, on my WhatsApp, because I post a lot of things on my status that can be of blessing to you as a web designer. And you can just check my Facebook handle page and stuff like that. So guys, this is where we're going to be ending this video. If you have any issue, you can actually come to this place. You can actually reach out to me on any time. This is my mobile number. This is my phone number. 0903538271, and this is my Gmail. You can send a message to me. You can call me. This is also my. You can also call this number. I will always pick your call all the time. Like I said, I told you we only need 3 things, and these are the 3 things we use to build our website. We need HTML, which is the theme. We need this one, which is the plugin, and we need this one, which is the plugin. And so, to your surprise, you will see that that is all we need to set up a nice looking website. Nobody will care what you use. All they want to care about is the site okay? Is it nice? Is it perfect? If it is perfect, no problem. In fact, you can even use this as a web store that okay, we build a website. You can even say we build professional website, and just do something nice. Look at my the one I use on my website, web design store of the team. In fact, I think it will retouch this. This is what I do, nothing more. I just do something nice and just move ahead. In fact, this one is catching my attention more than this one. I was there to you. I think I need to come and pick this one. So guys, I really appreciate your effort for you to stay with me to this point, and I have a gift for you. To be sincere, I have a gift for you. My gift for you is this. Is that Jesus loves you, and He has a very good plan for you. He cares much about your life. See, to successful in whatsoever thing you are doing can always be traceable to Christ. It's not about your intelligence, it's not about your knowledge, it's not about anything. It's all about Christ. I mean Christ. 100% Christ. Not by effort, but by Christ. Please, guy, I want us to give our life to Jesus Christ. I want us to give your life to Christ so that we can enjoy unlimited success in every aspect of your life. If you can just come to Christ, He's ready to help you. He's ready to make a way for you. He's ready to deliver you. He's ready to settle you in every aspect of your life. Maybe you did not know. The reason why I'm having the confidence to tell you about what Christ can do in your life is because He has done a lot in my life. I was nobody before, but Christ took my life and changed my life. It delivered me from every challenge, every problem of life. And Christ is the basic thing of my life. To be sincere, Christ is the reason why every success you can trace to my life, you will trace them to Christ because they all originated from Christ. There's nothing I can do. I have tried all my efforts several times, and I must say to you, I have failed time without number. But glory be to God, who redeemed me and gave me a better life. So at the same time, I'm telling you that He can also do the same thing for you. He can redeem you and give you a better life. Please, I want you to give your life to Jesus Christ. And if you have any issue with anything, please feel free to reach out to me. I am like a son to you. I am like a brother to you. I am like a friend to you. Be confident to call me anytime, and any issue, just call me. Get in touch with me. I'll be glad to be of help. Thank you very much, my brother. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. Love you.